Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding your audio assets and a place to control them. You already have Studio open, so insert sound objects into a playlist folder under Replicated Storage or Workspace. Name them clearly. Make sure each track uses its asset ID and that the audio is uploaded and approved. Once done, set basic properties like volume and looped equals false so tracks advance. This first pass gets your files organized and ready for scripting control. Now you'll write the playlist code that plays and advances tracks. In a local script, build a list of sound objects or asset ID and call content provider, preload a sync to avoid gaps. Play the first sound with sound play, then connect to the sound. Ended event to increment the index, load the next sound, ID or change sound. Sound ID before calling play again. Use flags for shuffle or repeat modes. Make sure you set volume and playback speed program complete by wiring GUI buttons to your script for play/pause, next, previous, and a volume slider. Then test in both play solo and a publish server session to confirm replication. Once satisfied, publish the place. If audio stops or won't play, first verify the asset ID matches the uploaded audio and that the asset is approved and not private. Make sure the game has permission to use it. Also confirm preload completed and that sound volume isn't 0. These fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.